نضيء بنورنا الدنيا وننشر في الفضاء أملا ونعلي عزم همتنا فمن طلب العلا وصل.
It's a option round. We are going to show you on the screen firstly the question, and after the completing the question, options will be displayed on the screen. Firstly, you have to watch and look at the screen and think for a while, then answer my question. Understood? Okay. Oh, say yes. The first question is, what is purification for the mouth? The options are tooth powder, toothpaste, brush, or miswak.
Miswak.
Miswak is purification for the mouth. Yes, okay. The next question is, when should we make our voices beautiful? When speaking English, while singing, during recitation of Quran, or all of them?
During recitation of Quran.
Oh, mashallah, absolutely correct. The next question is, what is half of Iman? Salah, truth, cleanliness, and fasting.
Cleanliness.
Oh, mashallah, absolutely correct. The next question is, what does a Muslim have to perform 5 times daily? Namaz, sadaqah, reciting Quran, or tahajjud?
Namaz.
Namaz, sure. Oh, mashallah. The next question is, what is seeking? It means ilm, knowledge, upon every Muslim. A personal choice, a mandatory duty, an optional practice, or a cultural tradition?
A mandatory duty.
Oh, mashallah. Yes, the next team, Talha ibn Ubaidullah, for you, my first question is, what was the age of Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam when his mother passed away? 8, 4, 6, or none of them?
4.
Correct answer is 6. Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam was 6 years old when his mother passed away. Okay, no worry. The next question is, who among us is the best? Who learn the Quran and teach it? Who memorize hadith? Who learn aqaid, or none of the above?
Who learn the Quran and teach it.
Who learn the Quran and teach it, mashallah. The next question is, how should we treat our children? With hatred, unequally and with favoritism, indifferently and neglectfully, or equally and with fairness? How should we?
Equally and with fairness.
Mashallah, absolutely correct answer. The next question is, can you tell us the name of the very first masjid built on this earth? Masjid-e-Quba, Masjid-e-Haram, Masjid-e-Nabawi, or Masjid-e-Aqsa?
Masjid-e-Haram.
Masjid-e-Haram is the first masjid built on this earth. Next question is, how many Hajj did Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam perform? Your options are 2, 3, 4, or 1.
1.
1. Sure.
Yes.
Mashallah, you did wonders. Yes, my first question for the next team, Zubair ibn Awam. Question is, who was given the title the sword of Allah? Hazrat Ali, Hazrat Umar, Hazrat Hamza, or Hazrat Khalid bin Walid radiyallahu ta'ala an?
Khalid bin Walid radiyallahu anhu.
Khalid bin Walid radiyallahu ta'ala an was given the title the sword of Allah. The next question is, at what place did Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam lead the congregation of all prophets? Your options are Masjid-e-Quba, Masjid-e-Haram, Masjid-e-Nabawi, or Masjid-e-Aqsa.
Masjid-e-Aqsa.
Masjid-e-Aqsa, mashallah. The next question, when did the first battle of Islam take place? 8th Hijri, 2nd Hijri, 3rd Hijri, or 1st Hijri? 1. 2nd Hijri. Your correct answer is?
2nd.
2nd Hijri. Oh, mashallah. Yes. Your next question is, according to Quran, what should we not do whenever we talk to people? We should not speak over them. We should not turn our face arrogantly. We should not disrespect opinions. We should not dismiss their opinions.
We should not turn our face arrogantly.
We should not turn our face arrogantly. Yes. The next question is, can you specify the location where the father of Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed away? Abwa, Medina, Sham, or Palestine?
Medina.
Medina, yes. MashaAllah, you have completed your option round.